Semrush versus HubSpot. So which marketing tool is better? Let's find out. Semrush and HubSpot often get lumped together, but they serve very different purposes. Let's dig into what each does best and when you might prefer one over the other. So, Semrush is all about SEO, content, keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink audits, site audits, and organic growth tools. It gives you visibility into how your site ranks, where you can improve, and how you stack up against your rivals. Meanwhile, HubSpot is built around inbound marketing, CRM, automation, email campaigns, lead nurturing, landing page, and full funnel marketing. It tries to manage your visitors, convert them, and keep them in your system. One major difference is their integration with CRM and sales process. HubSpot ties your marketing data directly to contacts, deals, and pipelines so that when someone converts, you can trace exactly how and when. On the other hand, SEMrush does not replace a CRM. You will still need a system to manage your contacts and pipeline. Another important factor is the pricing and scale. HubSpot's bundled plans can get expensive once your contact list grows or you add advanced features. While SEMrush is more modular, you just pay for the marketing or SEO tools that you need without paying for full CRM automation features that you won't use. So, let's go to the pros of SEMrush. It has deep SEO, competition, and content analysis tools. It has strong reporting and site audit features, scalable for marketing teams. And the cons, it doesn't manage context or CRM features, steeper learning curve for non-SEO users, and it can become expensive when you add many modules. And now let's go to the pros of HubSpot. It is an all-in-one marketing plus CRM plus automation website. It has seamless data flow from marketing to sales, easier for teams without specialized SEO background. And now for the cons. You can get pricey as your list grows. SEO tools are not as deep as specialized tools. The bundles may include features that you don't need. So for final verdict, you can choose SEMrush if your focus is on mastering SEO, content, and organic reach, especially if you already have or plan to maintain a separate CRM. And you can choose HubSpot if you want marketing and sales to move together, prioritize lead management, and prefer a unified platform. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.